Cryptocurrencies are potentially about to break out. Bitcoin just recovered 7% this morning. Look at this massive move that Bitcoin just recovered. And now we are approaching a very key level of resistance. If Bitcoin breaks this, which we are 0.5% away from breaking this very high that we have not seen in 6 months, this could send the altcoin soaring. At the very same time, Ethereum is starting to potentially break out. This is absolutely getting very intense. In this video, I'm going to be updating you on the cryptocurrency market, and I'm also going to be telling you about Ethereum, because Ethereum has the potential to 10x in a very short time. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly why. So make sure you watch the entire video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It is ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about cryptocurrencies that I make every single day, where I call out huge plays way before they happen. Make sure you also, if you love cryptos, smash up the like button. I do appreciate that so much, and blow up the comments with your question, comments, or concerns. Anything that we should do, things we should not do. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you want to get access to my trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you want to get my hidden insights into the market where I update you guys daily, join my Patreon right now for only $10 a month. The link is in the video description, where I have a 5,000 member Discord, which you get to be a part of. And also I can talk to you on the phone. We can build you a portfolio, go over your current portfolio, see if there's things that we need to change around so that you can be in the best position in the future. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into it. So before we do technical analysis, let me show you what is going on. So here we have Mark Cuban. He came out today and says Ethereum has the most upside as a cryptocurrency investment. I agree with him to a particular degree, and Ethereum is one of my biggest holdings. It is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies to share and to talk about, and he thinks that Ethereum is about to make some really big moves. You know, in my video yesterday, Raoul Pal, one of these huge finance guys, a guy that used to work in financial institutions, he thinks that Ethereum could be potentially $40,000 by next year. But Myles, how can Ethereum, a coin that is only nearly $4,000, be $40,000 next year? I'm going to be explaining to you why in just a second. So Ethereum right now is working on a series of upgrades, and there's going to be an upgrade this very month. The upgrade is going to be called the Altair. The Altair upgrade contains a lot of upgrades, and one of the primary things is that's going to help to transition Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stake. What this currently means is that Ethereum right now, the protocol for Ethereum is as a proof of work cryptocurrency. It's a proof of work blockchain, meaning that the miners are given most of the rewards for mining the blocks, for verifying the transactions in the blockchain. But what's actually happening, will probably fully implemented, will be towards the end of this year or early next year, will be Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum 2.0 is a series of upgrades that's going to make Ethereum literally like another better Ethereum, faster, smarter, cheaper, all across the board, probably like 100 times better or more. And this is going to cause financial institutions probably to want to buy Ethereum in the future more so than Bitcoin. And we are projecting, a lot of people are saying this in cryptocurrency, that Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin next year by market cap. And a lot of people are projecting that Bitcoin is going to have a top and it's going to come down and consolidate and have a bear market. But at the same time, Ethereum will most likely be pumping during this time period and will continue to go up. And that's how Ethereum could overtake Bitcoin by market cap. So do you think Ethereum can overtake Bitcoin by market cap next year? But the other thing about Ethereum, why it's going to go so high and why it's going to do it so fast, is because the institutions are jumping in like crazy. They see that Ethereum has a huge potential, a huge opportunity, because all of these decentralized financial applications, all these NFTs, all the good and only trusted NFTs are built upon Ethereum. You see OpenSeas. There's so many things that are built upon Ethereum, all these meme coins, a lot of these cryptocurrencies. There's over 100 cryptocurrencies that are built and founded upon the Ethereum blockchain. The NFTs and the decentralized finance and all these platforms and the DAOs and all these crypto applications, they are built on Ethereum. They can't just get up and be like, okay, let's just go to the Solana blockchain. It's faster, this and that. No, they are locked in. They cannot move. They cannot leave. There's billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars locked into Ethereum that cannot leave. And all of these people using the Ethereum network cause more Ethereum to be burned because of this update that we had just a couple of months back, which is a part of the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. It causes Ethereum, based on certain transactions, to be burned. So when there's a lot of volume, when there's people using Ethereum, when these transactions are made, when they are mined and so forth, There's Ethereum that's sent to the Ethereum Foundation, which burns Ethereum. And because the gas fees are so high and the network is so congested, which it will probably be for quite some time, it causes Ethereum to burn Ethereum like crazy. There's been over, I believe, 500,000 Ethereum burned since August, just the beginning of August. And this is making Ethereum potentially hyper deflationary, meaning that the overall supply is being reduced because it is being burned. And yeah, we complain about the gas fees being high, but Ethereum 2.0, some of these upgrades that are coming out are going to reduce the gas fees by thousands of percents, by thousands upon thousands of percents, so that the gas fees will pretty much be almost non-existent in the future. That's what Ethereum is working on. They're working on making it also faster. There's only so many transactions that are done per minute, but the transactions per minute, the gas fees and everything in the future will pretty much be like 100,000 times cheaper and faster. So that's what we are looking forward to in the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. Now, a lot of financial institutions and a lot of big money is not wanting to get into Ethereum at this point because of the gas fees are so high for some people. But in the future, which is just right around the corner, a couple of months away, the Ethereum upgrade 2.0 will be fully available. And this will reduce and negate their inhibitions from getting into Ethereum. So there's going to be a lot of money joining into Ethereum here very, very soon. The all-time highs for Ethereum were about $4,500. And we are just less than what, $800 away from that. We are getting very, very close to the all-time highs. And once Ethereum starts breaking all-time highs, we have seen how Ethereum has moved. If we take a look at a chart last year, Ethereum around this very time of last year was approximately $300. We were like $300. We even hit, $300. Ethereum was $300 this time last year. And now we are more than 10x what we were last year. Then the year before that, Ethereum was only $100. And the year before that, so on and so forth. So Ethereum is $4,000. And last year it was, actually last year it hit a low of, I believe, $100 something. So it goes to show you how fast Ethereum can move, and Ethereum has legs. And one thing about Ethereum is that even though it might not be an altcoin season and Bitcoin is taking up all of the show, Bitcoin is receiving the greater dominance, Ethereum is still able to pump through the midst of that. Ethereum strongly follows Bitcoin, and that is a very good thing. But sometimes Ethereum decouples from Bitcoin and Bitcoin falls away, and Ethereum takes a show, bringing along with it a lot of the other altcoins, especially the ones that are on the Ethereum blockchain. So this is one of my biggest holdings, and I love this cryptocurrency. You definitely need to get this in your portfolio. And let me show you this. Durbit, they list Ethereum at a $50,000 strike options with March 2020 expiration. So we are seeing Ethereum. People are literally betting on Ethereum that's going to be $50,000 give or take by March next year. This is absolutely crazy. If you buy one Ethereum coin, $3,500, by next year, you could have $40,000, give or take, somewhere in that range. So based on all of these things that are happening for Ethereum, these financial analysts, these experts, I'm not saying creating my own information and creating my own price predictions. These are experts, people that work in finance, that use billions of dollars to invest and are hedge managers. These are the same people that are giving these crazy price predictions because they have the information to understand where the big money is headed and what it can do to these cryptocurrencies. Let me know in the comments below if you are holding Ethereum, if you are bullish on Ethereum, your thoughts on Ethereum. Okay, so check this out. This guy, he came out today on Twitter. This is a guy who pretty much broke the Bank of England, as they call it. Now he finally likes Bitcoin. Now he finally likes cryptocurrencies. A lot of these old people who are in financial crises and people that work in the economies and the governments of all these other countries where their economies are suffering greatly, these people were speaking so bad about cryptocurrencies and how much they hate them and how much they are worthless. One of these same very people, he recently came out today and now he's showing people that he loves cryptocurrencies, that cryptocurrencies are the way. So people are changing their sentiment. These old people that hated cryptocurrencies, they're starting to change their minds because they're realizing the opportunity. This is going to show you, look, if these old people are starting to change their minds about Bitcoin, what does that show you? These old people are in control of billions of dollars, potentially trillions of dollars. If they're starting to convert to the belief in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, having at least a portion of their portfolio or invest to get some exposure into it, what is that telling you? These old people are getting involved, and more old people that control most of the money in the world are going to get involved. And this is showing us that we are still very early. 1 year from now, pretty much maybe all of the old people will love cryptocurrencies. And if all the old people love cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin at that point will probably be worth a lot more than what we can conceive at this point. But here's some very important information. We need to take a look at some technical analysis. So just like I called out and said, look, Bitcoin needs to break this level of resistance, which is this very exact area. This is an area that we had trouble at before historically. but things are much different now, and we are headed up. Look at this. We are headed nearly to $58,000. This is looking absolutely wild. We corrected. We had a decent correction, and I was thinking, okay, we might be flipping bearish for the next couple of days, but out of nowhere, cryptocurrencies recovered very, very strongly. When cryptocurrencies recover despite news and FUD and all this stuff really, really fast, it shows you the strength of the market, and it's showing us that we are in this bull run and we do not want to be missing out. We're also starting to see a recovery in the Bitcoin dominance. This means that Bitcoin might be pumping like crazy the next couple of days, potentially this week. But I was also looking at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is extremely undervalued. The price of it is so low, so cheap compared to where it will be, I think, towards the end of this year. So I'm very excited for Dogecoin, the way it is starting to recover. And if we actually zoom out, look at this. The lows are actually higher than the previous lows, and this is a very good bullish sign for Dogecoin. If Dogecoin came down below here, that would not be good. That would be bearish. But Dogecoin is holding up strong, so I'm excited about that. We're starting to see XRP starting to recover right now. This is looking very, very good. Cardano is starting to recover as well. I heard Charles Hoskinson today said that Cardano might be doing a coin burn. So this is going to cause a lot of excitement for Cardano, and there's a lot of updates also coming out for Cardano. And last but not least, we are starting to see Shiba Inu consolidate in this very tight range. Watch this. So right now, Shiba Inu is actually forming this symmetrical triangle pattern with a downwards angle, which we can also call a descending triangle pattern. But realistically, this is a symmetrical triangle, and what we are seeing is that the lows are getting higher and the highs are getting lower, and it's squeezing us into this very same spot. And we have seen this pattern play out consistently for Shiba Inu. Look at this, same thing right before it. Look, same pattern, consolidation period, we get pushed into this little corner and then pop out. And if we keep zooming out here, it keeps repeating this pattern over and over again. So that means that it's very, very strong and it's very bullish. I'm loving the way Shiba Inu is holding up right now, and this is very, very good. So I'm excited about this. So overall, the cryptocurrency market is very strong. Make sure you join my Patreon so you get my hidden insights into the market, when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And also, if you want a great platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, like Shiba Inu, like Ethereum, use my WEBULL link in my video description below. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000. And if you got something out of the video, make sure you smash up the like button, blow up the comment section. I will see you all tomorrow.